Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an iPhone on iOS 17 and a saved contact with a photo. Start by opening Contacts and tapping the person you want to update, then hit Edit. Once done, tap Add Photo or Edit Photo to launch the poster editor. This is where you choose image, memoji, or color. You do this now because the editor applies settings for incoming calls and messages. Make sure to keep the original photo available in case you need to revert. You'll now shape how others see this contact. Pick photo for realism, memoji for personality, or a solid background for clarity. Once chosen, pinch and drag to crop or reposition. Adjust scale so the face is centered for face detect features. Then tweak type. Select font weight, alignment, and add a subtitle like job title or a short note. This helps recognition. As you work, preview the poster in both small and full screen modes, so spacing and contrast. You're ready to finalize. Tap Done to save and choose whether this becomes the contact's poster or your personal My Poster. Once saved, test by having someone call or message you, or preview from another device to confirm display. If it doesn't update, make sure Contacts and Photos have permission in settings, then restart the phone. As a final tip, if cropping glitches, re-export the image at a higher resolution or reselect the photo from the Photos app to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.